Hello, kindergarten. Today we are talking more about our three-dimensional shapes. Today we're going to be talking about spheres. This one is a sphere, the one that looks like a ball. Remember we tested it out yesterday. About the only thing you can do with a sphere is roll it. It won't stack, it won't slide because it's made up of that curved line. It will roll, and that is about it. So today we're going to sort some of our shapes. We're going to put the one that is a sphere on this side, and the ones that are not a sphere on this side. We've got a cone, a cube, and a cylinder. So a sphere, not a sphere. You can get this paper out and get your name on the top. And we're going to be doing some more practice with those three-dimensional shapes on the inside. You will need your pencil and you'll need some crayons for this paper. Alright, there's our sphere that we're talking about today. When you get to the inside, you can look at a sphere. I want you to think about it and look at this one in my hand. Does a sphere have a flat surface or a curved surface? So let's look at it. Does it have any flat surfaces that you see? Or does it have a curved surface? What do you think? Hang on a second, we'll get our lights back on. There we go. You said a curved surface. A sphere is not made up of any flat sides. That's why it can't slide and it can't stack. It's made up of a curve. You see my finger? It's kind of following that curve of the sphere. So it's made up of a curved surface. After you get the word curved surface circled, because that's what a sphere has, I want you to get out a crayon, any crayon, and I want you to color the spheres on this bottom half of your paper. Only the spheres, only the ones that look like balls or marbles and have that curved surface. Color only the spheres. And then you can flip over. We're going to go on a little sphere hunt. I want you to look at all the objects on this shelf. And I want you to find anything you think that is shaped like this, like a sphere, and put an X on it. I'm going to let you do that on your own and then we'll check it together, okay? So see if you can find some objects on this shelf that are shaped like a sphere. And put an X on them. Alright, I see on this first top shelf, I see a balloon that is shaped like a sphere. And on the middle shelf, I see this globe that is shaped like a sphere. And on this bottom shelf, I see a baseball that is shaped like a sphere. So you should have put an X on those three objects. They are shaped like the sphere with its curved surface. Alright, let's look on the back. Here by the red apple, I'm going to describe a shape, and I want you to put an X on the shape I'm describing. I have a curved surface. Which shape am I? A curved surface. Would that be the sphere or the cube? You put an X on the shape that you think has a curved surface. And then I want you to think of something you know in the real world that is shaped like a sphere. And I want you to draw it down here at the bottom. Draw me a picture of something you know in real life that is shaped like a sphere. And you can color it too. And we'll talk about our next shape tomorrow. See you then.